A powerful wave of severe weather swept across Italy, turning intense summer heat into violent thunderstorms, torrential rain, large hail, and sudden temperature drops. The most significant impacts were reported across Piemonte on August 7th as a powerful supercell moved through Cuneo, Roero and Langhe. Roddi was among the hardest hit areas, with more than 70-80 millimeters of rain falling in less than an hour. The intense rainfall triggered local flooding, while large hail and violent winds battered the countryside. Between Roddi and Serralunga d'Alba, vineyards and hazelnut plantations were damaged at a critical point in the agricultural season. The timing is particularly concerning because the harvest had already advanced after months of high temperatures and limited rainfall. Serralunga d'Alba saw hailstones reaching 3-4 centimeters, while Grinzane Cavour was also hit by intense rain and hail. The storm extended into the province of Novara. Fara Novarese, Sizzano, and Momo experienced powerful thunderstorms, hail around 3-4 centimeters, and winds exceeding 70-80 kilometers per hour. Trees fell and roofs were damaged, while Valduggia and Gattinara in nearby Vchelli also experienced sudden summer storms and hail. Turin was affected as well, with hail reported around Corso Grosseto. Northern Italy was not alone. In the Apennines of Romagna, on August 6, storms brought a dramatic temperature collapse in Santa Sofia, where temperatures plunged from 38.7 degrees Celsius to 20.7 degrees Celsius in a short period. Heavy rain and hail swept through areas including Vergoreto and Santa Sofia. Further south, Calabria faced another dangerous outbreak. Torrential rain, large hail, strong winds, and frequent lightning struck the Presila Catanzarese and Sila Piccola. In Crichi, rainfall intensity reached around 180 millimeters per hour, while accumulated rainfall exceeded 50 millimeters, turning some roads into rushing streams. Taverna and Gimigliano also reported hail damage to crops and gardens, while lightning caused power disruptions. Severe weather was also reported in Lazio, Campania, and other areas, including San Vito Romano, Di Bignano, Soveria, Manelli, and Volturara, Irpina. In Umbertide, large hail struck on August 8th, damaging crops and vehicles. Meanwhile, a rockfall was reported on Mount Pelmo in the Dolomites. Footage from Refugio Città di Fiume showed rocks tumbling down the mountainside. No casualties were reported. Across Italy, the events show how quickly extreme summer heat can give way to violent storms, damaging hail, flash flooding, and powerful winds.